Buona.
Pan-seared scallops on a saffron sauce.
Welcome back to Food Pairing Challenge. This week we are offsite, but I brought some wine. This is Blacksmith Cellars Chenin Blanc from Klausberg. Classic Chenin Blanc has a beautiful white flowers, little herb. The fruit is round, which is going to be perfect for what we're going to be making today, which is scallop, something that has cream, but this is not my recipe. This is actually my authentic Italian recipe from my authentic Italian friend.
Hi, I'm
Hi.
an Italian friend. My name is Davide, and I can speak with an Italian accent. I was born in the town where Prosecco is made, Valdobiadene.
There you go.
That's true.
He's made of Prosecco.
That's true.
Bubbly and everything. Tell us what you're going to be cooking.
So it's gonna be scallops on the basis on a saffron sauce and charred olives with a little bit of zucchini and carrots.
Okay, well, let's get started.
Yeah. So we start by putting in the shallot and our wine. So I'm kind of ballparking it here, but you generally want to have a good cover on your shallot like that. All of this wine will have to reduce, so this is going to take a couple of minutes. Okay, so it has reduced nicely. There is still a little bit of wine, but this is what you should be looking for. And then we're gonna go in with the cream and the saffron. And then we're gonna start stirring and let it thicken up. And as you can see, it's gonna start bubbling, and as it does that, see like those little island of yellow? This is gonna take maybe 1 or 2 minutes. And in the end, what we're aiming for is a popping yellow color.
Buona.
Always taste what you're making.
Buonissima. A little sour, a little tangy, very saffrony. Excellent. So this is kind of like what we're looking for, I think. You also have to remember that it will firm up a little once it cools. Next, we're gonna have to strain it. So we have our cream. Now we have to sear the scallops. That'll be fun. You know, scallops cooking and searing is something that everybody has their opinion on. So this is just how I do it. I don't like to season it before because then it makes it sweat. So I'm going to add a little bit of olive oil. We're aiming for a beautiful medium rare. I just want it to be like really piping hot. So the oil is smoking. We are going in. I'm just gonna use the cloth layout, so I'm just gonna put it in a cloth kind of fashion. Obviously, the drier they are, the less they're gonna pop, right? Look at us here, looking good. Do about a minute on each side. Remember, no color, no flavor. This is kind of what we want, a little crust. Look at that, beautiful. We're gonna plate it now. We're gonna start by pouring just a little bit of our sauce and third, we're gonna sprinkle with some of these grated olives, some julienne carrots, zucchini, and then we're gonna add some of this really good stuff from earlier. It's our shallots and the saffron stems. We're gonna add it on top. Here you go. Pan-seared scallops on a saffron sauce.
Cheers.
It's really good. You get a little bit of the charred flavor from the searing. The sauce is bitter and a little tangy. It's perfectly cooked medium rare. and you get a little bit of a crunch from the vegetables. The acidity of this wine just balances perfectly with the bitterness in this dish.
This wine smells fucking amazing.
Did you just swear on my channel?
God damn it.